Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to see photos in your Google Drive. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you have Google Drive on your phone. At this home page, you can easily find the files that you have sent, either videos or images. Or else you can go to the Files option, which is at the bottom right corner. There you can see your drives or folders that you have uploaded. Now choose the folder that you have uploaded your images in. Now inside the folders you can see all the images that you have uploaded or the other person has uploaded and shared with you. And this is how easily you can see pictured in your Google Drive. Likewise, you can see three dot icon at the top right. You have to tap over there. There you can find various options. You can share this image with others. You can give access to others. Likewise, you can also add to start, download the image, copy the image. Likewise, there are various options like rename the image, print the image, or remove the image. And this is how easily you can see your photos in your Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.